Hey everyone, Steph here from Barbell Sanctuary. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lose weight in 4 easy steps for 2021. I'm going to keep it simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. Weight loss is extremely simple, but it's not easy. So step 1 is going to be being prepared, preparing yourself. Step 2 is going to be eating less. Step 3 is going to be moving more. Step 4, well, you got to stick around to the end to find out what that is. I plan on releasing a lot of these videos in 2021, lots of gym DIY stuff. If you got a garage gym, a home gym, and you're trying to lose weight in 2021, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, step 1. A lot of people start their fitness journey and you don't know exactly what you're doing and you just keep putting it off. You keep putting it off because you want everything to be perfect, but not everything needs to be perfect. I'm just saying get prepared for the next day. When you start exercising or dieting, it doesn't take much at the beginning. Before you get your momentum, any little roadblock will throw you right off. So what you want to do, you want to try to prevent those before they happen. The night before you work out, lay out your gym clothes. Lay out your shoes, shorts, your shirt, everything you need, your gym bag if you have to go somewhere else, if you don't have a home gym. Just make sure everything's ready, your water bottle. That way when you get up and you see that, it kind of reminds you, okay, I got to do this. I don't have an excuse, everything's there, and you're not looking and scrambling for things. So prepare yourself in that way. If you're going to be working out at home or in your garage or in the basement or living room, make sure the area is not a complete mess or completely destroyed the night before. That way when you wake up, you're not going to feel like going to clean your area up and then do your workout. So make sure everything's set up, everything's clean, you got the space, and you're good to go, ready to work out in the morning. Another thing for being prepared, talk to your family. Make sure your spouse or your significant other, your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, make sure they know that you're going to be working out the next day during a certain time so they don't have other plans for you and it doesn't get pushed aside. So set aside a specific time. And you want to be building a routine, so try to set the same time that you're going to be working out every day. That way you can build up that routine and get going. The most important part is to just start, and then you can tweak it as you go. But then every week I do something called a Sunday routine, and that's how I prepare for the coming weeks ahead. I'll post a link up to that video if you want to go more in depth on my Sunday routine. Okay, that's it for step 1. Step 2 is going to be, if you want to lose weight, of course you're going to have to eat less. Eating less than what you burn is 90% of the equation. You could stop at step 2 and not even work out, and you could lose a lot of weight. We have a tendency to eat and overconsume way too much food than our bodies need, and that's why we end up packing on the fat. Just keep this in mind. It is a hell of a lot easier to not eat 1,000 calories than it is to burn 1,000 calories. Picture 1,000 calories as, I think a Big Mac combo with a Coke and a medium fry at McDonald's is about 9 something. So if you eat that, you're gonna need to do about, I don't know, probably 5 hours of cardio to burn that meal off. Well, it's a lot easier to just not eat that and eat something healthy instead than to try to burn that off after. So keep that in mind. Your nutrition is gonna be the biggest part here, and you really gotta get your calories in check. For step 2, you're gonna download MyFitnessPal, or if you're using another calorie tracker that you're good with, then go ahead and use that. And a quick baseline is to multiply your body weight times 12, and that'll give you a rough estimate of calories that you should be eating to lose weight. There is more complicated ways to get a more precise number, but the important thing is to just start. So start with that number, and as long as you're tracking at the end of every week, you'll be able to tell if you're going up or down in weight, and then you can adjust and go, plus or minus 200 calories from there and adjust every week. So MyFitnessPal, start tracking your calories, but that's the gist of it. Body weight times 12, start tracking. You gotta eat less than what you're burning. You know what healthy food should be. I'm not talking about packaged foods that say healthy on them or snacks like that. I'm talking about just whole foods, potatoes, lean meats like chicken, fish, steak, pork chops, that, you know, it's fine. Just broccoli, vegetables, lots of vegetables, fruit, okay, things like that. Don't pick up the little snacks that say 100 calories in a bag, like useless. Eat a banana, eat an apple, eat an orange. Just eat real food. You'll be more full. You'll have fiber, lots of protein, but just do your body weight times 12. Put that in MyFitnessPal and start following that, and that's it. So step 3 is basically move more than what you're doing now. The simplest way to start doing that, if you're not ready to start working out, or you have zero equipment, is just to start walking. Walking is one of the most effective ways to lose weight. If you have a treadmill, that's even better. You can walk an hour a day, you can go outside for walks, or you can get yourself a fitness tracker, or use your phone and try to hit between 8,000 and 10,000 steps a day, or just track what you're doing now. If you're only doing 3,000 to 4,000 steps a day now, and you double that up and you start doing 6,000 steps a day as your main goal, then you're gonna burn more than you were burning before. I say to just start walking because too many people fixate on which program should I do? Should I do this? Oh, I need to wait till I can buy this program, or I don't have this piece of equipment. If your main goal is to be healthy and to lose weight, just start walking. Add to it after, okay? You can start right now and go for a walk. And then you can add the other components to your plan later on. You build it as you go, but you need to hit the ground running. If you want to hit some major goals this year, you got to start right now. Start before the 1st, start today. Just start walking and add to your program later. Now, if you already have a fitness program, great, then do that. I'm not going to get into the specifics of what you should do because any program works as long as you give yourself adequate time to recover and you do it. Any program that you do, it works. So like P90X, Inferno, all those old school DVD programs that people used to do, and they get all these results, is because they actually did it. It doesn't matter what it is. If you're moving more, you're gonna get results. If you want to do any type of weightlifting, something to build some muscle as you lose weight, you're gonna look better and feel better as you're doing it. So that's highly recommended. At the beginning of the pandemic, I'd done a simple body weight program. So I'll throw a link up somewhere here, and you can just follow that to start with. Just do that 3 times a week, walk on the other days, get your steps up, you're moving more, you're burning calories, you're watching your calories from step number 2, you're gonna start melting away, guaranteed. If you don't, it means you're not doing it. You gotta be honest with yourself. Okay, step number 4, the most important step, and this is where most people fail, and it's so simple. Consistency, consistency, consistency. That's it, consistency. You just gotta do it. People start, they go for a week, they plateau, and then they stop, or they do 3 days. It doesn't matter, just keep doing it. Even if you go 4 days and then you break down and you eat a whole pizza and you don't do your workout for 2 days, it doesn't matter. Just keep going the next day. Keep going the next meal. Like, don't ruin your whole day just because you had something bad. Just keep going. You have to just keep going. And just by being consistent, 80% of the time, you're gonna get results. Consistency will trump quality every time. You can have the best program in the world, but if you're not doing it consistently, somebody who's just walking and doing a couple push-ups, but they're doing it every day, they're gonna get more results than you, guaranteed. So I do have a couple tricks with consistency, things that help me out. So I'll post a link to that video right there or there, I don't know. We'll see, but that's it. You just gotta do it. You just start and be consistent about it. Don't think, what am I gonna look like next week? Think about 3 months from now. If you do this consistently, you're not only gonna amaze yourself, people around you are gonna start seeing the results. Anybody can do this. So I'll say it again, consistency, show up every day and just do it. If you mess up, get right back up again and keep going. You will get results. So step 1 is preparedness. Basically, you want to remove any obstacle that are going to slow you down at the beginning before you pick up your momentum. Step 2, eat less. Step 3, move more. Step 4, the most important step, consistency. You just got to do it. Keep showing up. I know you can do it. I've done it. I have clients who've done it. It feels amazing. So hopefully everybody has a good 2021. Stay strong, and make sure you hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.